Okay, as we can see, the pineapples are pretty ripe. They're so heavy that they're leaning over, and you can see yellow and even some sunburns from the heat. And so I'm going to cut these two this morning. And then you can see we have another there. I'll take that one as well. Now we have some green ones coming up on here. And I'll show you how you cut the top off of that. And it becomes a new pineapple. Once you root it, you can make another pineapple from this part here. The top portion. Cut it off, peel off some of that green, and then put it in some water for a couple of days. And I'll show you that in just a minute. Now, some people make tea out of that portion, and that's fine as well. So you have an option if you already have too many tops and you don't have any space to grow anymore. You can make a tea out of that portion as well. And you can see this one here. Now some of these you can break off. You can see another crown popping out there on the side. You can break that off and make a pineapple as well. So that's how we do the pineapples. Okay, we got harvested watermelon, one of the 6 I pulled, and we also have pineapples here that we pulled off. Recycle and grow another pineapple. As you can see here, this one, you can see it's been sitting in the water, and you can see how it has sprouted roots. It takes a couple of weeks for it to do that, and then I'll plant this in dirt, and then as it gets bigger we'll transplant it into the garden. Place it where you like it. But there it is with the roots. And at the top here, and you can see these parts here, so you just peel off some of this. Just peel it off. Just peel that off around the bottom. Holding that, so just peel off some of it. Go. Just to get all the fruit off. And you'll expose more of this base here. That's all you need to do there, is peel that off as much as you like there. It doesn't hurt it. I usually like to give it at least an inch of the base. Now, some folks take this piece right here and cut it off and make tea out of it, and that's fine. Put that in the water, and in a couple of weeks it becomes that. Okay, we'll do one more here. Have another top, so you got all that bottom portion there. Let's go change this a little. Okay, so here you have, and you're just going to peel this off. Just peel it off. And set this in the water. Once you give it 2 or 3 weeks, it'll root. And you have another pineapple. Now these coming from plants that already had matured, it can take a couple of years before they produce. So be patient. That's one of the beauties about the garden. You just plant it and let God do the rest. Nothing you can do. You can't make it grow any faster or any slower. So there you have it. Nice pineapple top. That's perfect for for that size root, and then place it in the soil and fill it back in around it. Fill it in, and that's it. That's it, family. Once you've done this, you will have another pineapple plant that begin to grow. It takes anywhere from 6 months to a year. And once you have it in the soil, it's okay to go ahead and give it some water here. Wet it down real good. And that's all it needs for now. The rest is up to our God. I don't believe in Mother Nature. I believe in God. So He'll take it from here.